Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to check a file whether if it exists, read the file and print the file using Golang. There are actually more than one ways to read a file. In this video I'll be showing you the two most common ways to read. So this is the file path where one.go is the program and new.txt is the file we are going to read. First, let's create a path variable to hold the file path. Now let's check whether the file exists. For that, we can use the os.stat method and os.isNotExist method. If this is true, the file exists, and let's print the file exists. You can find the documentation of the methods used in the OS package in Golang docs. Next, we can read the file using ioutil.readFile by passing in the path. Let's check for any errors and print the content of the file. Now let's see the second method for reading the file. This method we read the file using slice of bytes. First, let's open the file for reading using os.open and let's check for errors. Let's create a data2 slice for reading the content of the file. We can read the content of the file to data2 slice we created using read function. Let's check for errors and we can print the slice. Now let's run to see the output. You can find the documentation of the methods used in the OS package in Golang docs. I hope this video is helpful and thank you for watching. See ya.